Okay, my dear students. See, this type of problems are asked 4 years continuously: 2021, 2008, 2006, and in 2000. This I am talking about NEET. So, 4 times this model has been continuously repeated. This is the concept of impulse. So, I would like to discuss the concept of impulse here. You should know what is the meaning of impulse. You all know that impulse is nothing but a very large force acting in a very short interval of time. Example is hitting a bat with a ball. Okay, or hitting a ball with a bat, or hitting a nail with a hammer. So how much time the contact will be there with the hammer and the nail? Only fraction of seconds. How much time there is a contact of ball and a bat? Fraction of seconds. So very large force acting in a very short interval of time is nothing but impulse here. So you can just write impulse can be taken as impulse is equal to mass into acceleration into time here. So impulse, mass, acceleration is taken as mv minus u by t into t. So tt gets cancelled. Finally, there is a second formula for impulse, that is change in momentum. Impulse, it is a product of force and time, and also impulse is also defined as it's a change in momentum. That's it. mv minus mu. You can see the first 2008 concept. In 2008, if you observe, a ball directly falls normal to the wall and reflects back. While moving towards the wall, let the velocity is v, while returning back, let the velocity is minus v after hitting the wall. Therefore, impulse can be taken as m into v minus of minus m into v, because it is coming in the opposite direction. So therefore, impulse will become 2mv. This is the first problem which was asked in 2008. In 2006, let us imagine that the ball is making 30 degrees with the wall. Then what happens? So what is the component? For example, if this is hitting the wall with velocity v, that means you have to consider in this direction the component of velocity which is v sine 30, and it is striking the wall and coming outside with a component that is called as v sine 30. I mean coming afterwards in the opposite direction like this. Okay, in the opposite direction it is coming. Therefore, the component of the velocity along the normal, if you consider, it is going to become minus v sine 30. Okay, so therefore impulse is going to become mv sine 30 minus of minus mv sine 30. So therefore impulse is going to become 2mv sine 30. So if you apply this formula, you get the problem which was asked in 2006. Let us imagine in 2000 also there is a model asked here. Now the ball makes certain angle 60 degrees with the normal, not with the wall. If it is making with the normal 60 degrees, then if the velocity of the ball is v and it is coming outwards with velocity minus v, therefore you have to consider the component which is called as cos theta component, which is normal to the wall, because now the ball is making angle 60 degrees with the normal, not with the wall. If it is making with the wall, we will get sin theta component. If it is making angle with the normal, we will get cos theta component. Therefore, this can be considered as v cos 60, and in the opposite direction minus v cos 60. Okay, so therefore impulse is considered as mv cos 60 minus of minus mv cos 60. So therefore you will get a formula, that is impulse is going to become 2mv cos 60. So these three cases are completed. Now the fourth case which was asked in 2021, a ball is thrown towards the ground and it strikes the ground with a velocity which is taken as v is equal to root of 2gh. According to kinematics, it strikes the ground with a velocity root of 2gh. When it rebounds back with a velocity minus root of 2gh, which is going to be the velocity after hitting the ground. So therefore here the velocity is going to become, impulse is going to become square root of, again here it is going to become 2mv. Impulse is going to become 2mv, and v, when it is striking the ground, it is root 2gh. When it is rebouncing back, it is going to be minus root 2gh. Therefore here also we can write minus 2mv, that is nothing but 2mv. V means you can write 2gh. Okay, root 2gh, because velocity is considered as root 2gh when you drop and it rebounds back. Then also it is taken as root 2gh, because it is dropped from the same height and it is rebounding to the same height again. So then you have to apply 2mv, where here v is taken as initially also taken as v, finally it is taken as minus v, so it is going to be root 2gh. So how many formulas, how many answers we got, you can just see here now. So first thing is we got impulse is equal to 2mv in 2008. Here second time in the gate 2006 we got impulse is equal to 2mv sin 30. In the third, that is 2000, we get impulse is equal to 2mv cos 60. In the 2021 we get impulse is equal to 2m root of 2gh. Hope you have understood this continuously asked concept. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.